bounds.
Guys, today I'm going to be playing some Clash of Clans because I finally found out how to restart the account. Yep, okay, so first I have to trust it. Okay, which one is it? No, this one. No, this one. No, this one. Yes. Okay, so it restarted and yeah, so start this off. So we're going to be doing the tutorial first. It's free to play, but you can feed up the app. You can take it. No. I already got the coins. Wow, what is this? Another penny human? Let's go. Let's put it right here. Oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna attack back. I'm gonna spread these out. Okay. And right here. There you go. Witches are great. No return home, blah blah blah. Oh, why did I waste all my gems for that? Elixir collector, we're here. There you go. Till I get to 245, I'm gonna stop. Steal all my gems. Oh. There you go. Oh, maybe this time. Okay, so we're gonna attack the Goblin Forest and just put them to spread them out. Oh no! I didn't. Oh. Go barbarians! Okay. So my name is gonna be XX Thunder XX. There you go. Finally fitted. Okay, so let's upgrade our town hall. There you go. And do I have any more achievements? No. Okay, so I can finally. Is the notifications. Okay, I can finally play by myself. So we're gonna train our troops. Just get 20 of them. Okay, so we're gonna need some more defense. Oh, campfire. When can I get this? Okay, I need some more defense. Oh. So we're gonna take a cannon right here. This one right here. There you go. So we'll take some more defenses. Go. There you go. Okay, let's just get a little bit more defense. There you go, and then stop this and upgrade. Oh, I have no more upgrades. Okay, so I have one upgrade, and we'll get some of these. I'll try upgrading this. I just keep upgrading this. Okay, so I'm only gonna use that much. I just want to get some coins. Okay, so now we'll just go here. Actually, how much to upgrade this? 1,000. Oh, we can go up to 210. Okay, so okay, they're both level 4 now. Okay, so that's good. Do I have any gem boxes? Okay, no. Okay. So, okay, this is pretty good. No. Oh, Town Hall 3? Hey. Build more or upgrade existing gold storages. So you want me to build more? Oh, 4,000. Oh, okay. So let's go get some more gold. Okay, I want to end this battle. Totally don't have enough. No, it's enough. Go. Okay, so we'll just do this again. There you go. Yeah. Go, barbarians. Why are you guys going after the wall? Oh, it's gonna take forever. Oh, I get to get 1,000 loot. Oh my god. Actually a lot. And then I'm just gonna do... Okay, I'm just gonna... I know what to do. Okay, so... Okay, I'm already level 5. Okay, one giant. There you go. How much archers did I get? Okay, so let's do this again. There's a bomb. That is no fair. No, that is just no fair. Don't die. Yes? No! Okay, I want to end this battle. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll speed it up right now. Okay, I'm back and I can get a lot of stuff now. I can get another army camp. So I know I'm using a lot of gems, but who cares? Okay, we can get an archer tower. Oh, wait a minute. How much is this? Oh no. Okay, so I'm in Town Hall 4 now. me to do that. Okay. How much elixir do I have? Oh my god. Okay, so there you go. 16,000. Both of them are 16,000. Okay, so now we're just gonna spend the rest of our gem. Okay, never mind. Okay, so if we can do another barracks, there you go. Finish. So I'm gonna keep just trading these. There you go. So we're gonna actually find a match. Ah, no more gold? Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay. I'll be right back. Actually, yeah, I'll be right back when I'm done finishing my base. Can't wait anymore. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye, guys.
Bounce.